Every service-based business owner craves more sales, traffic, and leads to their website and blogs. The great news, Pinterest is the most underrated way to achieve this. As a visually oriented platform and a social media platform just like YouTube and Google, Pinterest can significantly impact your business. In this video, we're going to dive into Pinterest trends and explore how you can enhance your website traffic organically. Plus, we'll be providing tips on scheduling pins using a trusted Pinterest scheduler to stay on top of the trend. Welcome back. My name is Jen Vazquez. I help hyper-busy female service providers use Pinterest to actually grow their business, not just their Pinterest account. Understanding Pinterest trends. Pinterest has become one of the top social media platforms, according to the Pinterest Trends Report 2024. With over a half a billion monthly active users, it's a platform that businesses and marketers must recognize. So, what is the Pinterest Trends tool? The Pinterest Trends tool allows users to uncover the platform's current popular and rising search interests to optimize content. It displays search data and analytics to reveal trending keywords, topics, pins, creators boards, and more. Some of the features of the Pinterest Trends tool are trending search terms, discover the top currently popular and fast rising searches that people are using to find pins. This can reveal content opportunities. Pin topic trends. Get insights into trending visual content styles and topics that resonate most with pinners right now. Popular creators. Identify influencers, creators, and accounts gaining more searches and engagements lately that might be good to follow or collaborate with. Trending pins. Find individual pins getting surges in saves and engagement for benchmarking and for inspiration. The Pinterest Trends tool provides real-time data on what's trending now, rising in popularity, and what's going to be popular in the future. This allows you to tailor your visual content creation, curation, and marketing to capitalize on trending interests among the platform's audience. How to find the most search words on Pinterest. Finding the terms and keywords that users search for the most frequently on Pinterest can provide valuable insights for content creation and marketing. Here are a few methods to determine popular and high volume Pinterest searches. Use the Pinterest search bar. The search bar reveals suggestions based on what others have been searching for. Pay attention to terms that autofill when typing or in the drop-down menu, as these are common searches. Look for volume and trends over time. Check Pinterest Trends tool. Pinterest compiles data on trending searches and pins within the last 30 days. The Pinterest Trends tool shows the fastest rising popular terms that people use to find content and is a great source of inspiration. Leveraging Pinterest trends for traffic growth. With over a half a billion monthly active Pinterest users, tapping into the trends that are popular can significantly expand your brand's reach, visibility, and also drive growth. Here's how you use the Pinterest Trends tool to grow your Pinterest traffic. Start with your high traffic pins. Look at your current high traffic driving pins, the most engaged content, and assess those pins. Look for clues like, could it be the photo? Could it be the colors? Because a different color in a feed could potentially stand out. Which keywords did you use on top of that pin for the text overlay? Because what you want to do is create two more pins just like it. One that uses the same photo with different keywords, obviously all around the content that you're driving to. And the second one used the same keywords and a different photo. This way you get to see if one of those two pins also rises to the surface, then you're going to know what's popular, either the keywords or the photo. Create aligned pins. Create pins that lead back to your website's opt-ins and educational content. Align your pin creation with trending keywords to obviously boost that discoverability. Ways to use Pinterest search trends in your marketing. Pinterest search trends is more than just a tool, it's a goldmine of information waiting to be tapped into for your marketing campaigns. Here are some ideas for how to easily incorporate these trends into your marketing strategy. Pin creation aligned with trending keywords. Consider popular keywords when creating your pins. Use Pinterest search trends to find those terms, those keywords. Find the ones that are popular in your niche. And by doing this, you can be confident that your pins are both aesthetically pleasing and deliberately optimized for discoverability. Customize boards to represent current issues. Customizing boards to represent your ideal client. These boards, these themes, these topics, you want to be able to create boards that are with keywords that are going to be driving your ideal client to your content. Suggestions for tailored content. Make customized content recommendations for your audience by utilizing Pinterest search trends. Examine the most popular queries in your industry to create content that complements your brand and adds value to your followers. Use Pinterest trends to strategically plan your content. Are you looking for ways to up your game and stay ahead in the ever evolving world of content? It's time to tap into the treasure trove of Pinterest trends. And here's how you can strategically plan your content to use insights provided by Pinterest trends. Aligning with seasonal trends. So pinners love to create, so should you. Make the most of your seasonal trends by planning your content around impending occasions, holidays, or other seasonal changes. As an example, wedding photography. So if you're a wedding photographer, engagement season is November, Thanksgiving through February, Valentine's Day. This is when most people get engaged throughout the whole year. And so creating content 2 to 3 months before November so that you can then have your pins up there. And when people are looking for them in this season, they're going to find your pins. As a wedding photographer, the things that your ideal client are doing just before hiring a photographer is basically planning the date, picking the location, and picking the venue. Those are the things that people are most doing. So create content around that and upload it via a pin onto Pinterest to start getting content on there that people are going to search for. So content like, I'm engaged, now what? Or how to pick a wedding date, or how to pick a venue. Those types of helpful content not only do well on Google, but they will also do incredibly well on Pinterest. You're going to do the same thing for your business. And as a reminder, pin the seasonal things 2 to 3 months before it's at the height of that trend. So if the height of that trend is in December, then we're going to be pinning it in September, October. Pinterest Trends provides valuable keyword insights. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content to boost its discoverability. You want to use words that are readable, right? You don't want to do keyword, comma, keyword, comma, keyword, comma, which is traditionally called keyword stuffing. That is never going to work for you. It might work in the very beginning, but it's never going to work long term. Remember, Pinterest is a visual search engine, so compelling visuals paired with strategic keywords can really help your overall strategy. Creating educational content. Pinterest is the place people go to find ideas and inspiration. So if you align with those search terms with your services, you could really excel and get in front of those people who are actively searching and desiring your content. Diversifying content formats. Don't just pin regular organic pins that are graphics. Consider videos. Just like everywhere else on the internet, videos are doing incredibly well. You can actually claim your Instagram account so that any reels that you create on Instagram, they will automatically post to Pinterest. and they will go ahead and use the link to Instagram. So it's a way to grow your Instagram account as well. I also recommend adding that video directly to Pinterest on a different board so that you have a better chance of getting found, especially because videos are very engaging and they can draw potential clients in to your amazing content and on your website. For businesses, knowing Pinterest trends and using a Pinterest scheduler like Tailwind, my favorite, you can sign up for the forever free plan and be able to test it out. Honestly, there is no other tool that I will go for. It helps pinning on Pinterest only take about 30 minutes to an hour once a week, which is incredible for busy entrepreneurs like yourself. Service providers and content creators can increase their visibility and engagement by utilizing the power of rising trends, keyword optimization, and also creating inspiring and helpful content, which is exactly what Google wants as well. As a technical partner, Pinterest Trends offers insightful information that helps you stay ahead of the curve and create content that appeals to your audience. Have a great day. Bye.